So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me what happened to the TpLink Wi-Fi. So basically, I just switched to the basic Wi-Fi you normally have in your house because you've seen the video previously. This Wi-Fi was amazing. It's just basically, you've got a SIM card here, you've got the battery inside, and you just connect it to a source of power. It is true that I'm going to say a few things, but cool features is that you could take it wherever you want it. You just have to plug it in. It is true that the battery didn't last long and the ultimate sessions it lasts very little. It is true that if you've got a big house and you are not going to keep it moving, naturally it's much better to have actual big Wi-Fi, the typical conventional Wi-Fi. Other than that, worked well. It actually, let's say, was very much used for at least 5 to 6 years. So it has been a pleasure. It's just that sometimes you have to go back to basics. And my current upload schedule was bigger than the actual internet connection, and that's why I needed to go back to conventional Wi-Fi, even though I cannot take it everywhere I go. So that's my humble opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Wi-Fi TpLink.